Um, if you think about when someone is faced with a weight loss situation that they feel like they really need to get on it, and I'm not talking about a health condition, right? I'm not talking about a disease process. That there are other reasons that people use GLP-1. But when we're talking about for the purpose of weight loss, which is what we're talking about, um, if one is trying to make a decision whether or not they need to use a pharmaceutical versus use this GLP-1, this is a nice alternative for someone who might be nervous or scared and or possibly financially constrained that they couldn't do the pharmaceutical one, okay? Now, the second instance is, so if you're teetering on the fence and you don't know what you're going to do, but you really think that you need something, I think this is a great product for that. On the other hand, there may be people who are on the pharmaceutical and maybe they are done with it. Maybe they are at the point where, they don't really want to be paying out the money. Maybe they've accomplished their goals and maybe they need to transition. Maybe this would be a good solution to sort of ease into it without having the jolt of being suddenly off of their pharmaceutical GLP-1 by naturally activating their own GLP-1. So I'm not telling anyone to come off of a GLP-1. Your doctor, and generally speaking, most people are on a GLP-1, and I use GLP-1, the actual drug in my product, in my practice. Okay, so I've seen all cases, all scenarios, and I would just say that this is a nice thing to have in your toolkit. And I think actually physicians will probably look at this as another alternative, another way to handle people's weight loss in a more natural way. People who don't want to put out the money, maybe it's not covered by insurance or whatever. This is a very, very fitting way to use GLP-1 and get all the benefits from it. Not to mention, there are those other benefits of GLP-1, like I said, that have nothing to do with the gut. They have nothing to do, well, I shouldn't say with the gut, but with weight loss. There may be people that want to do natural GLP-1 for the other cognitive and neuroprotective benefits, for the cardioprotective benefits, for the liver benefits, for the improved lipolysis or the improved fat burning benefits. So there are lots of different reasons to enhance your natural GLP-1. Even kidney function has been shown to improve with the use or the increase in GLP-1. So this is just a great, great product across the board.